Hey guys, what's up? Zed here. I just wanted to get into a tutorial video on what I've been doing lately. I've been ripping 4K Blu-rays, ripping regular Blu-rays, and ripping regular DVDs. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on what gear I'm using, what software I'm using, and the whole process. So we're going to go from A to Z in this tutorial. You're going to learn about what drive you need, what files you need for the firmware, as well as software you need in case you choose to encode your ripped Blu-ray to a smaller file format, let's say MP4. Um, so we're going to cover all of that. I'm going to go through everything right now, and I'll see you at the end of the tutorial. So this is the drive I'm using to actually rip the disc. In this case, the disc we're ripping today is a UHD 4K Region B Blu-ray, or you can rip regular Blu-rays or DVDs. The drive we're using today is the Archcon Premium Aluminum External USB 3.0 drive, and it's currently available from Amazon for $122.49 with one-day shipping. There are other compatible drives listed on the MKV forums. I just chose to go with this particular drive because of pricing, availability, and its portability. But you can go ahead and look at the list and pick the drive that's going to be suitable for your needs. Now you're going to have to change or downgrade your firmware for your drive, and there is going to be a link in the description of this video on where to go for the zip file containing those particular firmwares. The utility comes in the zip file, and it's a fairly simple process. Now that you have the zip file downloaded, you're going to want to unzip the zip file using WinZip or WinRAR. I'm choosing to use WinRAR, and just extract the files. Once the files are extracted, you're going to want to go ahead and double click the exe to open up the program. The program should detect your drive automatically. It will be in the drop-down target drive list. You're going to want to go ahead and click on the folder icon to browse for your target firmware. Now my firmware is the DELGBU40N bin file. You're going to want to click open, and then you're going to want to click the play button or flash button, and the process will start of upgrading or downgrading your firmware. You're going to want to restart your PC. Now in my particular case, I had to restart my PC, unplug the drive, and then replug the drive back into my USB port. After that, it recognized disc no problem. Now the software I use to rip the disc is called Makemkv. Go ahead and download Makemkv from the link in the description and install the program. Now if you want to change video formats or compress your files, you're going to have to use a video converter. A free converter would be Handbrake, or I use Movavi Video Converter. It has a free trial, but it does cost for a lifetime license. As you can see, it's $44.95 for a year subscription, or $54.95 for a lifetime license. Now that the software is out of the way, go ahead and launch Makemkv. Your source disk should be listed in the dropdown. You're going to have to pick your file folder destination. Once that is complete and you hit OK, the disk ripping process should begin. Now that your backup's done, browse to that destination folder. Open BDMV. Browse to the stream folder. Your movie file will be the largest file in the group, so you can browse via size. And there it is. Now we're going to go ahead and get ready to convert our video. So we're going to want to open, in my case, Movavi Video Converter. Going to drag our file over. Wait for the file to load. Now it's your choice on what kind of quality you want to convert your movie to. I'm choosing MP4, good quality. It's going to reduce the file size down from almost 70 gigabytes to 20 gigabytes. You have plenty of options for your needs. Just a reminder, you're going to want to look at your audio tracks. There's going to be several audio tracks listed. Some will have commentary, some are different formats. So you're going to want to pick the one that you want to encode with your MP4 file or whatever file format you have chosen. Now that all your options are selected, you can start the conversion process. Now the video conversion process is complete and my MP4 file has been created. So that's it for conversion and compression. Okay, that's it for the tutorial. Let's go ahead and launch that MP4, get Tremors up on the screen, and there we go. So you can see that we successfully ripped a 4K Region B Blu-ray. I converted it down to a smaller MP4 file size, which was about 1/3 of the size, and we're playing it right now. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you haven't yet, please watch my first episode intro video of Dawn of the Zed. Hopefully I can continue this series. This video is just a little offshoot tutorial video. I'm going to have a full video next week, another episode 2, probably a follow-up on boutique Blu-ray distributors, and then a follow-up video from there on streaming and streaming services that are unique, not necessarily, of course, not Netflix or Amazon Prime. We're talking about the smaller services like Arrow's new channel and Shudder. So watch my first video, check it out. If you like that, please like the video. I appreciate it, and I will see you for an official episode 2 of Dawn of the Zed, where we'll probably expand upon the boutique Blu-ray distributors. If not, I'll do one about the boutique kind of streaming services. So I appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching.